You really did that? Yes, I did.
Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content. Check this guy out. Way too comfortable. He's literally eating out these people's window.
Hello, how you doing? Your daughter was coming here home?
Don't forget to lock up those bikes and scooters or try to bring them inside if you can.
Watching you.
Hi, I'm just here for District 6 Police Station, volunteers, scout.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna call the police who is right in front of my house. If you don't.
Yeah, I'll leave, where's your mailbox? I'll leave it in your mailbox, okay? In case you
Get
have to
away
call
from my
911.
house. Get away from. Don't
Okay.
even put that because I'm gonna call the police.
Okay.
Take that shit out of my house, or I'm gonna call the police. Metió con el puto buzón. No lo.
Help, man. Help. Hollywood. Anthony.
Let me know down in the comments what would you do if you had this situation at 1 a.m.
Is this?
Hello, can you answer the door?
What?
I'm freezing. Can I have a blanket?
Oh no, I don't have anything. Please go away.
Oh.
Excuse me. Those are my packages. I literally have you on the Ring camera. Can you believe that shit?
Who's taking me?
Check this lady out. She's pretty bold.
You really did that? Yes, I did.
Come on.
Try not to leave your mail out too late. These people are trying to steal your identity.
And then
We're calling the police. Get out.
Not sure what's up with these people, but we got a lot of door wigglers in this episode. Make sure you keep those doors locked. Also, try not to leave any personal information in your vehicle or valuables, just in case this happens. Don't forget about those other delivery options. We got P.O. boxes, Amazon lockers, and there's even convenient locations you could pick your packages up from on your way from work or wherever you're coming from. As always, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Don't forget to lock those doors and please stay safe out there. I'll see you in the next one.